Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Tracy. I'm sure you know this is Allana Davison. She has a huge following both on YouTube and Twitter. She is awesome. I love her. I love her style. She recommends the best product. She has great taste. I love her. I've been watching her for a really long time. She has teamed up with her old employer, MAC, to create the Allanaramaa Influencer Kit. Unfortunately, this kit is only going to be sold in Canada at a store called The Bay. The Bay is kind of like Nordstrom. I've already had to buy 5 of these kits, one for me and 4 others to send to friends and family that live in the US. And a lot of people are really curious about this kit and are asking me, what does it look like in real life? So I'm going to get on here and just try to show you as best I can what it looks like, and I'm going to swatch it and talk about it a little bit. So let's just get right into it. Everything in the kit is permanent to MAC, so if you don't want to buy the kit, you can just buy them separately. The first swatch that you see, the one closest to my hand, is the lipstick, and it's in the shade Patisserie, and it's a creamy matte brown nude with a luster finish. The next one is the blush, and it's called Blushbaby. It's a warm mauve matte finish. And then next you have the eyeshadow Hoodwinked, which is a warm brown metallic. And the next one beside it is the Tete-a-tint, and it's a warm brown with a matte finish. Finally, you have one of their Kohl pencils. This one's in the shade Teddy, and it's a matte pearl finish. There's also a black mascara that comes with the kit. And I find when you see the kit online, I really find that it looks so much better and prettier in person. And whoever chose the colors, I guess Allana chose the colors, they go together really, really well. It's a lovely kit. It's a great deal, and I'm really happy that I picked it up. So the price of this box is $65 Canadian, but it has a $141 value. So again, you can buy each of the products separately, but it won't be this great deal that you're getting here. So I'm not going to drag this out anymore. I love this kit. I love Allana. I'm so happy that I got this kit. But that'll be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.